Yes, my name is Pete the Temp. You are virtually at Shindig Festival. I am verily in my bedroom. And whoever you are, and wherever you are, and whenever you are, and whatever it is that you're doing, I welcome you to this shared moment of history that we are experiencing somehow together, whilst being simultaneously in completely different places and times. Isn't that beautiful? So this is a loop station. I'm going to give you a quick demonstration about how this works. It loops my voice around and around it, loops my voice around and around it, loops my voice around and around it, loops my voice around and around it. You get the idea. Cool, so this is my first track. It's from the 13th century, because I know how you like the 13th century, and it goes exactly like this. Here we go. Credo solita dominas, clemens exultas concilium. Credo solita dominas, clemens exultas concilium. Credo solita dominas, clemens exultas concilium. Between deciding to get out of bed, to check the radiator, checking the radiator, get out of bed, check the radiator. 5 years passed. Matter. I am a head-on collision of chromosomes. I break through new cell walls of comprehension into double helixes. I'm helter-skeltering the rolling, cascading genome of life, spiraling, splicing. It feeds on itself, remolding itself, reforming itself as energy, passing through matter, energy, passing through matter. I worship fire. I could burn a library. The voices climb, the words exact. Exalted judgments grip my neck, the contents of which shall remain my own. I build a fire for the voices. Everything's thrown in. heart. The burning bright, 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 bright. The sparkling life force that courses through my blood, 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 blood. Always has been, and always will be love.